Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I worked at IRS for over a decade. I've been in private practice for 4 decades. I'm a national expert in IRS resolution matters. I've worked over 10,000 cases. I've seen it all. I've represented, I don't know how many people on offers and compromise. So anyway, what you're hearing from me today is going to be the truth. My job really is to educate you and to give you enough information to make an informative decision on the things that you need to do. The only promotion I do is to tell you if you need expert representation or a consultation, you should probably call our firm, seeing that we have over 200 years of direct IRS work experience. One of the things that bothers me the most is that people get ripped off in the industry that I'm in. It's very bothersome to me, and I spend a lot of time on different YouTubes to making sure you don't get ripped off by a tax resolution company. Tax resolution companies, the big ones, are owned by hedge funds, hedge fund companies, and just other people who want to invest in other companies. What they do, they dump a bunch of money in there. They hire a sales staff, which is the most important thing. They hire a back office of people they sub their work out to. They don't usually even do it, in-house. And then what they do is they put ads on Google and other places, and you hit those ads, and then those people, the salespeople, call you. You're never going to have an attorney, a former IRS agent, enrolled agent, or CPA pick up the phone and answer the phone. You're basically 98% of the time speaking to salespeople, and that's where you begin to get ripped off. So I'm going to address this in the next 3 minutes and get in and out of here real fast so you understand. So how do you know when you're getting ripped off? So if someone calls my office and I hear what their situation is and they owe debt to IRS, I have to see their current financial statement. I will ask them to give me the same form that IRS uses, either a 433F or a 433A. I need to see those forms. At that point in time, I decide whether I want the case or don't want the case, because sometimes a company just can't help the person. But who knows? Unless you fully evaluate the person's history and financial statement, you shouldn't be taking a case. What a bigger company will do, and the ones that rip you off, they're going to ask you for money without doing a total evaluation of your case. Some people charge $500, some people charge $1,000. They're all over the place. Some people want to pull your transcripts up. They want to charge you a fee. If you have an IRS debt and a person is not asking to see the IRS financial statement that you're going to give the IRS, don't give them any money. At this firm here, we make you, or I don't want the case, I want to see your financial statement without confidential information on it. I'll be able to tell you within 10 seconds how I'm going to close your case. How is your case going to close? By currently non-collectible, by offer and compromise, or by a payment or installment agreement. When you fill out that form and you send it to whoever you're doing, that's it. That person then will say they can help you, how they can help you, what is the settlement going to be, or how is the case going to close. Okay, and lastly, they'll be able to say what the tendency or the bent for the result will be. That's exactly how these cases work. So once again, if you're going to pay somebody because you're talking to a salesman and they have you just fill out some information and take some basic information, you're getting ripped off. You have to give the IRS your entire history, the person who's working your case, your entire history, and they got to see your financial statement, and then and only then will you give that person a retainer, and you know that they're telling you the truth. If anyone's doing anything other than what I'm telling you, they don't know what the hell they're doing, and stay away. There's a lot of good firms out there, but there's a lot more bad firms out there. So govern yourself accordingly. but do what the hell I tell you to do. I've been in this business for 50 years. I know exactly who's going to rip you off just by what they're saying. If this information was helpful, give me a subscription if you would. YouTube loves subscriptions, so that would be good. Leave me a comment. If you want me to do a YouTube on something, just go ahead and let me know or give me a like, but subscriptions are there. By the way, if you need a consultation or representation, hit me up.